Hello guys, let's discuss this very basic problem on cubes. So here this problem says three equal cubes are placed adjacently in a row. Find the ratio of the total surface area of the new cuboid formed to that of the sum of the surface areas of the three cubes. So first of all, let's understand what this statement trying to say here. It's saying that we have placed three cubes with the same area in a row, and that too adjacently. So you know a box looks like this. So three boxes with the same area are placed adjacently in a row. So let's draw this roughly. There is this one box, then there is this another box, then there is this another box. And you know that all of these boxes are cube, not cuboid, which means the length, breadth and height gonna be the same. So here, when cubes are placed adjacently in a row, you know that length will increase. Why? Because we are placing them adjacently. If here length is A and you have placed the same cube with the same length adjacently to it, so it will increase the length, not the breadth. Breadth and height will remain same because we are placing them in a row. We are not placing them like this. So here length will increase, breadth and height will remain as it is. You'll have to visualize this. We are placing them in a row, that's why their length is getting increased to 3a. And you can see here, as box are like this, not like this and not like this, so breadth will remain as it is as well as height will remain as it is. So here B will be A and H will be A. So now tell me what will be the total surface area of this cuboid? Let's write down total surface area of new cuboid. Why this is cuboid? You know that these lengths are not same. Here they all are different from each other except B and H. Now you know the formula. Apply that formula here. L into B plus B into H plus H into L. This is the total surface area. You know the value for length, which is 3a. Let's put all these value here. Value for B is A into A plus H is A into 3a. So what you'll get here, it is 3a square plus a square plus 3a square. So this will be 7a square. You will be getting 14a square as the total surface area of the newly formed cuboid. Now total surface area, here you need to find out the surface areas of these cubes as well. So total surface area of a cube is, you know that total surface area of a cube is 6a square. This is the formula for this for calculating the surface area of a cube. Now you know that there are three cubes like this. So what you will do, you will multiply this with 3. So what will be the formula? It will be total surface area of three cubes will be 18a square. Now you need to take the ratio of these two. Ratio of the expression 1 and expression 2. So let's write down ratio of 1 and 2. What will be the ratio? It will be 14a square divided by 18a square. A square and a square will get cancelled out and you will be getting 7 by 9. You can write down here, this is total surface area of a cuboid divided by total surface area of cubes. This is coming out to be 7 by 9. So this is your answer. So I really hope there should be no doubt. After all this explanation, I will be taking more problems like this in the coming video lectures. Thank you.